Okay, everyone, we are getting ready for our boat race. We're going to boat race on the Dolores River. This is something our family does, is make little model boats, and then we launch them, and whoever gets down the finish line first obviously wins. And once that's done, and then we'll have little rewards for everyone at the end. But obviously, if you get the title of number one, you're number one. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do the boat races, and they're way up there. They've got to go through a little set of rapids, through a calm, and then through a little channel there, and then down to me and my daughter Bailey. Say hi, Bailey.
Hi.
Bailey does the editing for Detect Arizona, so all the video, the quality of that is on her and my wife. They do an awesome job. Once we get launched, once the boats start making their way this way, we'll get the recorder back on.
On your marks, get set, go! Oh my goodness.
Okay, here we go, guys. We got a boat right here, a boat here, a boat here, and they're all gaming a little steam. So far, this one is a, oh, nope, that one is ahead now. Oh, here we go. It's gonna be close.
I'm catching up. Yay!
You got this one, babe? Okay, finish line's right here. We got Nicholas in first place.
Okay, right here?
Yep. We got Kruby in second. Clemmy. Clementine's in third. Bailey. Garrett. You were fourth.
I was fourth. That's it.
Oop! Emberly! Oh no! I can't reach it!
Where's Allie?
What happened? Where's Alexandra's?
In the Bahamas.
Oh.
It was that fast, it snuck past you guys.
All right, first we got 1.5, Shake Hands with Danger. Number 2, Crew Bass. Number 3, Kitty Longboat. Number 4, just basically, we don't know what to call it. The Mouse Hunt. There we go. Number 5, the Canoe.
Wasn't it the Bullet?
Oh, the Bullet. Yes,
Yeah.
the Bullet. And number 6, which is my boat, is Montezuma's Revenge. Number 7 is
Silver Pearl.
the Silver Pearl. Number 3 is...
I think it was the Mayflower.
Number 3.
Keep saying
Number 3.
Number 3, my lord.
What is number 4? What is yours?
8.
Number 8 is
I think it's the Mayflower.
Mayflower. And number 9 is the Long John boat.
The John boat.